What is up, you guys? I'm going to do a video and talk about my 1998 Acura Integra GS. I've had this car for about 5 years and I've basically had it under a cover and I haven't driven it that much. Now my other car is a little under the weather right now, so I thought I would make a video and talk about my Teg and what's going on with it. Now one thing I want to talk about that I need to get done, I'll talk about those things first. It looks like I've lost a little bit of a clip from my bumper here, so that doesn't look too hot. So I'm gonna have to fix that. Now the body doesn't have any damage in it. Another thing that's kind of messed up, the same thing is when they repainted it, they didn't do the very best job. So I've got some paint chipping there. Really not all that upset about it. It is what it is. The body's pretty clean. I need to give it a good wash, put some of that Magic Tire black wet stuff on it to make it look good. Let's see, as the car has gotten older, even keeping it under the cover, having a garage would be better, but the rubber is kind of getting a little bit I try to treat it here and there. One thing I noticed on the trunk, let me zoom in, is I'm gonna have to get a new, if I open the trunk I'll show you, the seam that goes around is kind of tore apart, so that's not good. So this old car, even though it looks great, it's going to be my probably best interest to put a little money into it to do the seals and little stuff like that. Anyway, moving right along. Now a lot of stuff happened to my car in the last month that I've been driving it. It's really pissing me off. I went through a car wash and I think it ripped off my freaking emblem. So I ordered another emblem, so that sucks. This one feels a little loose actually, so I'm gonna double side tape the new one. But the back looks pretty good, no damage. So no damage on any of the sides of the car, so the body looks good. It's all original. The car has been repainted. I think the rear end has had a little work, but since I've had it, so there's the outside of the car. From about 20 feet it looks good, but anyway, like I say, it's a 1998, so I'm still pretty happy with the car. Go ahead and show you the interior. I'm pretty proud of the interior of this car. This is the 1998 GS, so it has the leather seats. So they're pretty clean, man. Haven't had a lot of stuff back here, so that's all original. Now I put these plastic things down, but I have the original mats back there. I put some rubber mats down here, and these are Integra mats. I have the original mats in the trunk, but I figured since I'm driving it, I'll just mess up these mats. They don't look quite as good, but let me walk around the other side, and I'll show you something real quick. So the trunk, I'll show you that real quick. You'll see my original mats are back here. And if anybody watched my old videos, I haven't had any leaks in my trunk since I redid all the leaks. So anyway, everything's pretty much the same back here. So let me show you the other side. Now here's something that really bummed me out, you guys. My gorgeous black leather seat. I put my knee in the middle of the seat to grab something, and look at this. I put it right through the damn seat. So I'm gonna have to find an upholstery or a leather guy that can put this piece back on. I mean, this car, in my opinion, is too nice to not fix that, because I want to try to keep this car at least original, as original as I can from when I got it. So check this out, guys. 100,000 miles. So I just went over that today, and like I say, I've been driving this car the last few months because my green car, I have to get a little work done on it. And so anyway, let me show you the dash. Everything is pretty clean still in here. So the body looks good. The interior still I've kept in pretty good working order. Yeah, let me pop the trunk. Oh yeah, so here we go. Everything here, got the original radiator. Everything's all original, except naturally I changed out the plug wires. But it hasn't been modified. I did have to replace the brake master cylinder, so that's new. It was a big fucking hassle when that went out on me. Everything else is working as it should. I'm about to do the timing belt, water pump, thermostat, and all that stuff. I will say, since I've had the car, this is flaking off. And I do think the catalytic converter in this car may be clogged, so I've got to check that. Maybe check all the motor mounts, the control arms and stuff. But anyway, so there's the engine. Let me fire it up. Give me 1 second. But this has been a great car. I love Acura Integras. I've driven an Integra since 1993. So no warning check lights. I got the brake on. My doors are open. Like I say, I think the catalytic converter may be fluttering a little with some, yeah, I can't talk right now. Nice and quiet. So yeah, 100,000 miles, still looks pretty good. I'm happy with what I paid. $4,800 for the car, and I think 2015 when I wrecked my Acura TL. You guys would have loved my Acura TL. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing awesome. Peace out.